How to sign into or log into your Etsy seller account. To log into your Etsy seller account, you could use the same credential as a standard buyer account and then navigate to your shop dashboard. So you could do this with the help of your browser, or you could also use an app. So I'm going to go with the browser. If you're using an app, you have to install Etsy on your mobile device from your respective app store. So for the browser, type in etsy.com. After which you will then be taken to the very home page. Simply tap onto the profile at the very top right. Now in my case, I've already logged in, so I'm just going to quickly sign out. So here it is. This is how the interface is going to look like when you are signed out or when you don't have an account as well. So tap onto this icon at the very top, the profile icon. There you have these page where you could either go ahead and register yourself or add in your email address, or maybe continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or maybe Apple ID. Select one of these methods and enter in your credentials and select continue. Once again, as with the password, if you're using email, you have to type in that. If you are not sure about the password, you could also go ahead and see that, or you could simply tap on forgot password as well. So now then, simply tap on sign in once again, and this way you will be able to log into your Etsy account. So this is going to be the same thing as you're using for the mobile app as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.